right, this is Charlie Chaplin in the T-shirt factory. Charlie Chaplin in the T-shirt factory, doing work. Oh. Charlie Chaplin in the T-shirt factory. All right, shift is over. Oh no! That is triple XL. Triple XL. Triple XL. Now we continue with the XL. XL, XL. XL size and XL in the business. Charlie Chaplin must do it faster. Faster, 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 faster. Faster, Charlie, Charlie. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Faster, 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 faster. Faster. Faster, faster. You gotta cut the cost. You gotta cut the labor cost. Faster, faster, faster. Quick, quick. 2, 3 things at the same time. 5 things at the same time. 20. Multitask, multitask. Cut. Print. At the same time, press, do exercise, all right, exercise. Faster, 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 all right. Now next, 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 faster. Oh, all right, faster. All right, faster. Yeah. All right, faster. Clean the mess. Clean the mess. Keep the environment clean. Load. Load another shirt. Load. Don't waste time. Quickly. Load. Load the press. Load quickly. Load it now. XL size. Fantastic. Alright. Alright. Put it in the center. Don't be negligent. It has to be centered. Alright. Alright. Do it fast. Fast, 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 fast. Go to cut. Go back to your job. Go to the other job. Go to the other desk. Alright. You gotta cut. 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 Fabricate. Fabricate the design. Cut, 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 cut. Alright, this is not even, it's not even. You're gonna be fired. They're gonna fire you, okay? Cut even or you'll be fired, alright? Cannot even. You have to put it. Oh. 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 Alright, XL size. Next, 2370,043 made today. Okay, we need 10 more and we are done. $3,000,5,733 freaking dollars produced today by Charlie. Oh, Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin in the t-shirt factory. Ah, t-shirt factory now. Right now, t-shirt factory is traveling from New York to Alabama. All right, this is portable t-shirt factory. Charlie Chaplin in the portable t-shirt factory. T-shirt factory on wheels. All right, last two. All right, no more printing. Finalize, finalize, finalize. All right, all right, all right. Cut. Charlie, cut quickly. Cut that quickly or you're gonna be fired. They're gonna fire me. All right. The boss is very angry. If I don't do it fast, the boss comes and guess what? I'm fired. Huh. Thanks God. Thanks God there is job. Okay. Thank you God for keeping us all busy with our job. All right, Charlie Chaplin in the t-shirt factory. Making shirts for the people. Making shirts for the people. Now we're producing 3,723 XL size for excellent size people. All right. Keep on doing it. Faster, 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 faster. Don't wait, don't wait. Don't wait. Faster, 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 faster. Cut, 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 cut. Cut faster, cut faster, cut faster, 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 faster. Cut, 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 cut. Quick, 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 quick. All right. All right. All right. All right. More t-shirts. Load the t-shirts. Get ready the t-shirts. Don't be lazy, okay? Don't be lazy. Quick, quick, quick. Quickly, quickly. 1, 2. Prepare. Always be prepared. Oh! Always be prepared. Take off. Peel off. Quickly. Stretch. 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 Alright? Stretch. 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 Superb quality, okay? Superb quality. Give them superb quality. See the singer, see everybody, yes? Superb quality. All right, all right, all right, all right. Make more, don't waste time, okay? Do not waste time. Make it faster, faster, or you're gonna be fired, all right? They're gonna fire your ass. Do it quickly. Don't think too much. If you start thinking too much, it's not good for the business, all right? Quickly, quickly. Next. Load the next. Prepare the next. Always be prepared. Quickly, faster. Meanwhile, if you have nothing to do, clean your working space, okay? Do not waste your time. Do not waste your company time. Do not waste your boss time. Where is the boss? The boss will come. The boss will come, will look at the environment, and the boss will say, what is this mess? What is this mess? You fired, all right? And then you are out of job again. Oh my God. Again, I will be fired one more time in my life. and I cannot take it anymore. All right, but the quality is great. The quality. Here's the best quality. The best quality. All right, all right. This is our friend Gene Di Napoli. Gene Di Napoli, singing, singing, singing for the people. Charlie Chaplin in the T-shirt factory. All right, Charlie Chaplin in the T-shirt factory. Charlie Chaplin doing the last T-shirt. Opa, press. All right, and do we have a lot? All right, last T-shirt produced today by Charlie Chaplin. All right, we have there ready. Okay. Oh! All right. Oh! Oh! It is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is not a job to be negligent. You can burn your fingers, all right? But the quality, the best quality, all right? So that's it for the moment. We have produced. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Here we have produced. Do you see? Do you see? I hope you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. All right, 10, 11. All right, 10, 11. One more here. All right. This one is you know, we give this one for free because it's a messed up print. All right, anyway, and here there are more. Oh my God, there are so many more. All right, that's the Charlie Chaplin in the factory. The job is done.